with retired Police Chief John Quivola. And John, tell us about this new addition to the Willowick Police Department.
Well, we're delivering 2 new Tahoes to the Willowick Police Department. We're both outfitted with federal lighting products, federal signal light fire, federal signal lights in the front end, federal signal push bumpers along with their pit fire system for pit maneuvers. We're on the side here. We got lights on the sides of the vehicle as well. The rear of the vehicle. We got a stick in the rear window, which also works as a directional stick. Hideaways and tail lights. Backup light bulbs actually, which will go to the solid light for reverse along with the lights on the inside. The lights is both connected. In the hatch area, we have 2 lights in the back of the hatch for the officer's convenience. There's a switch here. So if he or she wants them on or off, they have that choice. We transferred over their Satina storage cabinet or stop switch for them.
So why would you have that extra switch in there? Why wouldn't the lights just be on all the time?
Yeah, that way if they're in an area where they open the hatch, they don't want the lights on, or they need to be more covert, they have that opportunity to do so. We have the full Go Rhino prisoner compartment with the seatbelt system. Plastic molded seat, slider rear cage, and the clear rear partition. Go around to the other side here. Show you some of the interior features. First one that's most important is you pay attention to the light bar. You open the driver's side door, that's going to cut out, so you're not blinding the officers or getting in and out of the vehicle. We have the Federal Signal Pathfinder unit in here, which gives you multiple options for the siren. Variety of options there. Federal Signal also now has a programming to make announcements from the vehicle. We have 3 programmed into this unit for the officers in Willowick. We've transferred over their mobile data terminal. Every one of our cars, we give you a free magnetic mic.
What's the purpose of magnetic mic?
Magnetic mic makes it convenient for the officer, so the officer isn't stuck with their microphone being in one spot. If they prefer it to be here, or over here, down here, over here, wherever they want, they can stick it wherever they need to stick it, their comfort and convenience, whichever works best for them. Have this full center console. This is the extended console with the side pocket as well. And we've transferred over the radar unit as well. This car's fully upfitted, ready to go, marked, and all set for service.
So who does these upfits?
Tim Lally SAVE, especially advanced vehicle equipment. Everything's done right here at Tim Lally Chevrolet and in conjunction with SAVE. They're fully upfitted, graphics, everything was done right here at Tim Lally.
And so if I'm a police chief or municipality, I can basically pick and configure my vehicle any way I want.
I will sit down with you and we'll build your vehicle out however you want it done to your specs. And then once we do that, we'll complete the build and get it on the road for you.
All right, fantastic. Hey, for your first responders, see Tim Lally SAVE. You get a vehicle all decked out with all the latest safety equipment, the latest technology to keep your first responders safe. Thank you for watching.